Hi, I'm Jason. Welcome to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we're going to be working on this Whirlpool freestanding range. We will show you how to remove and replace the thermal fuse. To begin this repair, we must first remove the back panels.
Stop. Before beginning any repair, be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. We must first remove the lower panel here with the 2 Phillips screws. Lower it down. You can just set it aside. And then there are 12 number 2 Phillips screws that hold the upper panel on. And then you just lower it down, disengage it from the top panel, and slide it right off. Now with the back panel removed, we have clear access to the safety fuse. This is a safety device, and it only blows if the temperature is too hot. So if you have this fuse blown, you may have an underlying issue where you have something on the control board keeping the heating elements on and causing the oven to overheat. So to test this, we're going to pull the wires and make sure you hold your fuse because you will break it. And with continuity, we're going to check for an audible tone, which we do have an audible tone. This one is good, but if you did have a blown fuse, all you simply do is remove the 1 screw and remove your fuse. To install your new fuse, you're going to take your old screw, stick it through the hole of the fuse, and with your screwdriver hold it. Install the screw in the fuse. Install your wires. Now we can install the back cover. To install the rear panel, you must first slide the top of the panel up under the console. Line up your screw holes. And hold the panel and install one of the screws to hold the panel for you. And now that you got that one in, move on to the other side while still holding the panel. And now that you've got that one held, you can finish the rest of the screws. Next, we'll install the lower panel, and there are 4 tabs you must engage into the back of the oven. And slide them in and then slide it up until your screw holes align. And this will complete the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.